range cleanup time. It's not fun, but you got to do it. I got my Ammo Broom though, ammobroom.com. Picks him up, puts him in there, just spreads it out and traps it, and then come on, take a look. They give you one of these hooks, goes on your bucket, put it on there, give it a twist and a shake, and you're ready to go. I think these came about from people who have nut farms. Nut farms? I guess nut farms. And they use them around like the walnut trees to pick nuts up. Works great for ammo. Alright, my little tip. See you next time. Always remember, anyone can clean up their range. If I can do it, you can do it.